Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get the Marvel Mythics in Creative. We'll dive right into the Unreal editor for Fortnite, or UFIN, to bring some iconic superhero power to your custom islands. This guide will walk you through the essential steps, ensuring you can easily find and implement these special items. Get ready to elevate your gameplay with legendary abilities and create truly epic experiences for your players. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. To begin, open your UFIN project and head over to the content browser. This is your primary hub for all available assets. You'll want to use the search bar, typing in terms like Mythic or even specific character names such as Iron Man or Thor to quickly filter the vast library. Once you spot the item you need, simply click and drag it directly into your level. It's a simple drag-and-drop action to get these powerful items into your world. Now that you have your mythic asset, let's make it functional in your game. The best way to do this is by using an item spawner device. Place this device anywhere on your island where you want the mythic to appear for players. Then, open the item spawner's details panel and select your Marvel Mythic item from the available options. You can fine-tune settings like how often it spawns, how many appear, and any initial delay, ensuring a balanced and exciting experience. With your mythic item placed and configured, it's time for customization and testing. Within the item spawner settings, you can further adjust properties like the item's rarity, its stack size, and even its initial ammo count. Experiment with these values to perfectly integrate the mythic into your game's economy and balance. Finally, launch a play session on your island to thoroughly test that the Marvel Mythics are spawning correctly and functioning exactly as you intended. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.